Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how settle up your connection to better speed. Before we going to start, I have to tell you, I made this video specially for gamers, but this is important any online workers, like steamers, online studying student and teachers. Okay, let me show you how I going to do this. First, go to Play Store. Search 4G only dual SIM. Install the app I show you. After that, go to home screen. Now open the application. Look at carefully what I doing now. Follow my steps. Here you need to choose your internet using SIM card. Put the tick on LTE only. Now your connection is only LTE. Remember to change it to LTE/UMT auto again. Let's go to the settings. Here I am get developer option. My mobile connection is very poor and also my Wi-Fi router. If we could to get the Wi-Fi and mobile connection together, we can get better connection. But the question is how to do it. Let me show you. Here you need to tick on mobile data always active. Now your cellular can working Wi-Fi connection together. Now I do the important part of this. Go to the link on description. Then you can access to this site. Follow my steps. You also can install this on Play Store. I have to proof of this. Stay with me. This is 100% sure method. You don't need to buy it. Use the free version as I do. They give you limited use. Thant is a problem but you can download it different Gmail account, and the problem solved. Follow my steps. Look at carefully what I doing now. App will choose the fastest server for you. If you can choose the best server, do it. Singapore server is better to my country. If you're Sri Lankan you need to set it Singapore. You need to know what is the fastest of between your mobile and Wi-Fi connection. Then choose the fastest one. You need to set it primary, and the weak one set to secondary. Now connect this. You can see now. But, hold up, I have to prove this with Pubg Mobile. Here you can see my new gameplay. I am not using the trick this time. This is normal gameplay, so you can see my ping. Somehow my normal ping is better than other days. Let's see a tricked gameplay after this.
I need a weapon. Watch out! Watch out!
Now let's try with our trick. Now my ping is very stable. Look the movements. This is trick-used gameplay. You can see my movement speed. Look at my ping. That is very stable. See this short clips, but here I am in trouble. I was using screen recorder for record this gameplay, because of that I am very lagging. But you can feel through different feeling of this. Let's try a TDM match. Here you can see my gameplay without using our trick.
Team is unstoppable! The red team is unstoppable!
Nice shot!
The red team is in the lead.
Now let's try with our trick.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
Expired. Cover me. Enemy down. Kill! Enemy down! Target down! Dead! Reloading! Nice shot!
Killing spree for the blue team. The blue team is in the lead.
Dead! Cover me! Reloading! Expired! Cover me! Reloading! No mercy! Dead! No mercy! Great! You're about to win!
The blue team is about to win.
Enemy down!
Killing
Blue
spree
team
You can
for
see
the
I can
blue
play it
team.
very smooth. Here is the proof. Now you can use it. If you like this video, give me a like, and any question let me know it on the comments section. I hope to give you another tips and tricks. So subscribe my channel and keep the notifications. Okay beautiful people, thank you for being with me. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.